Okay, so for some of you, um, you may need to close your notebook session and then deactivate your Conda environment and then which is the source deactivate command, and then source activate and open up your notebook again to get it to recognize the installation. I'm not sure what's going on there, but it should work once you reinstall or install those two packages and then restart everything. You don't need to restart your computer, but you should restart your session. So just so we're on the same page here, I'm gonna restart this package, and I'm going to clear outputs. Okay. I'll restart the kernel. Yeah, so we've got all our packages installed and they load, and we're then going to set up our pandas and Seaborn environments. So we're going to set the max display rows to 25. We're going to use the Seaborn defaults. So we call sns.set. That will use the Seaborn defaults. We're going to set context as notebook. This should be the default, but if you wanted to change how the plots look, you could change this to paper or presentation or one of the other contexts. And then there's also the colorblind color palette that we'll use. Okay. So as we've seen already, there's some basic statistics you can do with pandas, right? There's a lot of built-in functions that we've seen that you can operate on a pandas series or a data frame, or even this panel object, which we haven't really talked about. Panel is like a set of data frames. It's sort of like the third dimension. If series is one-dimensional, data frame is two-dimensional, panels are three-dimensional. So you can think of it as data frames that are layered on top of each other, all with the same information. And so we have things like sum, mean, quantile, cumulative sum, cumulative product, etc. And a lot of these are listed here. So count, sum, mean, median, mode, absolute value, standard deviation, etc. So for the example today, we're going to use some precipitation data. Now in your assignment for this week, you have some daily precipitation data from La Jolla that is up through 2018, up through February 2018. There's some monthly precipitation data that goes through 2016, and so we need to download that. So we're going to go to the main page, data. Yeah, here we go. So we have La Jolla Precip Daily, which was for your assignment, and La Jolla Precip Monthly, which is we'll use today. So we can click on that. Click on raw. Oh man. Okay. Bummer. Okay. All right. Let me post that as well.